So, surprisahin natin ang bata. Excited na siya sa Captain America.
Wow! Bebe, look!
I'm Captain America. Who are you?
Nakikita sa camera mo.
Bro, 360.
Ano sa...
I'm Captain America. What do you want? Huh? I'm not your daddy.
Daddy.
Shit. What?
I love your daddy. Away kayo ng away.
Wow.
Yay!
What the haluwag? Boog, shit, George.
Ah!
Daddy bought that for you.
Yeah, you get the hammer.
Ayan na, patay na. Buong magdamag na naman.